Hi everyone, it's Rachel. And you know what? I was thinking, there's a lot of high expectations when it comes to polymer clay. You're expected to craft well, you're expected to blend well, you're expected to mix colors well, you're expected to glaze well, you're expected to bake well, and that isn't always the case. So I have come here today to tell you the truth behind polymer clay and lay down some of these expectations versus reality. Before we begin, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and let's get started.
much, you guys. And now, buckle in for the mind of Jake Paul. Now, buckle in for the mind of Jake Paul.
6.5 hours later.
Evaluated my whole life, and it's on YouTube now.
A few moments later.
So there you have it. There are some of the polymer clay expectations and realities. Let me know down in the comments which ones you relate to. I know that I definitely relate to like more than half of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.